Hello everyone! Are you curious about how to improve your cycling speed? Let's explore! Improving your cycling speed requires a combination of training, technique, equipment, and strategy. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned rider looking to boost your performance, there are several key tips and strategies to help you pedal faster and more efficiently on the road. First and foremost, building a strong aerobic base is essential for improving cycling speed. Incorporate regular aerobic workouts into your training regimen, such as long rides at a moderate intensity, to enhance your cardiovascular fitness and endurance. Focus on gradually increasing your mileage and ride duration over time to build a solid foundation of aerobic fitness. Interval training is another effective method for improving cycling speed and power. Incorporate high-intensity interval sessions into your training routine, alternating between periods of hard effort and recovery. Intervals help increase your lactate threshold, improve your ability to sustain high-intensity efforts, and boost your overall speed and performance on the bike. Work on improving your pedaling technique to maximize power output and efficiency. Focus on pedaling in smooth, fluid circles rather than relying solely on brute force. Practice applying consistent pressure throughout the entire pedal stroke, both on the downstroke and upstroke, to generate more power and maintain momentum. Experiment with different cadences to find the most efficient pedaling rhythm for your riding style and terrain. Aerodynamics play a significant role in cycling speed, especially at higher speeds and on flat terrain. Minimize wind resistance by adopting an aerodynamic riding position, tucking your elbows in, and lowering your torso to reduce drag. Invest in aerodynamic cycling gear, such as aero helmets, skin suits, and deep section wheels, to further enhance your aerodynamic efficiency and reduce air resistance. Optimize your bike setup and equipment for speed and performance. Ensure your bike is properly fitted to your body measurements and riding style, with the saddle height, handlebar position, and bike geometry adjusted to maximize comfort and efficiency. Choose lightweight, aerodynamic components and wheels to minimize rolling resistance and improve acceleration. Nutrition and hydration are crucial for maintaining energy levels and sustaining high-intensity efforts during rides. Fuel your body with a balanced diet rich in carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats to support energy production and muscle recovery. Stay hydrated before, during, and after rides, especially in hot and humid conditions, to prevent dehydration and maintain optimal performance. Finally, mental preparation and race strategy can make a significant difference in cycling speed and performance. Visualize success, set realistic goals, and stay focused and motivated during training and races. Develop a race strategy based on your strengths and weaknesses, the course terrain, and external factors such as weather conditions and competition. Pace yourself intelligently, conserve energy when necessary, and unleash your full potential when it matters most. In summary, improving your cycling speed requires a multifaceted approach that encompasses training, technique, equipment, nutrition, and strategy. By incorporating these tips and strategies into your cycling routine, you can enhance your speed, power, and overall performance on the bike, whether you're racing, training, or simply enjoying a leisurely ride. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more related videos and see you later. Goodbye.